Ever wondered if all those advanced natural testosterone boosters are actually worth your money, or just clever marketing tricks? Today we're diving deep into Iron Boost, a supplement that promises to skyrocket energy, boost libido, increase muscle strength, and unlock your masculine vitality. The product is heavily advertised with urgency timers, huge discounts, and emotional testimonials that make it seem like everyone is seeing life-changing results overnight. But the reality behind the hype tells a more complicated story. Iron Boost markets itself as a breakthrough using secret natural methods, yet a closer look reveals bait-and-switch tactics that manipulate urgency and desire. Many of the promotional videos are AI-generated, and the testimonials are often staged or scripted to create a false sense of credibility. The packaging and ads also reference FDA and GMP standards, giving the impression of medical approval, but there's no evidence that these claims have any legal or scientific backing. Even the ingredients, which are common herbs and compounds found in countless other supplements, are presented as a miracle formula capable of raising testosterone levels, yet no clinical studies support this. People who try Iron Boost may notice minor effects like increased energy or mood fluctuations, but it's unclear if these are due to the supplement itself or the placebo effect, since nothing in the ingredients has been proven to significantly boost testosterone in controlled trials. On the other hand, there are no major reports of harmful side effects, but as with any supplement, individual reactions vary. Overall, Iron Boost operates in a gray zone where marketing promises far exceed what science currently supports, making it essential to approach with caution and skepticism rather than blind optimism. If you're considering it, the key takeaway is to weigh the hype against the lack of real clinical evidence and decide if spending on this supplement aligns with realistic expectations for results.